Hey there, welcome to the Configurating Monitors tutorial. We're here to make sure your screen setup is as slick as possible. Let's dive right in. Okay, first things first, give your mouse a little right click and then select Display Settings. Now, just above the Multiple Displays section, you'll want to change that option to Extend Desktop to this display. It's like spreading out your digital workspace, just how you like it. Whoop, scroll back up. Up where? Up to the top where your virtual displays are hanging out. Time for a bit of show and tell. Click on Identify. Look at that, little numbers popping up in the corner of your screens. Let's get artsy. Grab those virtual displays and move them around until they match your real-world monitors. When you're feeling good about the setup, tap that Apply button. Now pick your superstar monitor, the one you want as the main event. Give it a click, and bam, that's a wrap. You've just conquered the monitor setup game. So there you have it. Your screens are in sync and ready to rock. If you've got more questions or want to tweak things later, no worries, we're here to help.